So, why should we use descriptive reading strategies in our academic work, in our research writing, our exegetical writing, even in our forum posts? Descriptive reading strategies allow us to do our very best academic writing because they derive both their central claims and their supporting evidence from the details and nuances of the texts themselves. Descriptive readings invite dialogue and argumentation because they're supported by textual evidence that can be critically engaged by others. Reading and writing about texts in this way ensures that you and your audience are both on the same page, both looking at the same evidence from the same angle. Your readers might not necessarily agree with your conclusion, but they should be able to see how you got there by looking at the text itself. And lastly, for your own benefit, learning to read text descriptively is a fundamental skill that will be integral to your development of your own exegetical voice, a voice that can both discuss texts with a unique critical perspective and also listen to and engage the interpretations of others. So we can see some of the benefits of descriptive reading strategies in this sample reading of John 14:6 and 7. This reading begins with a description of a key phrase from this passage. Jesus describes himself as the way, the truth, and the life. Then it develops its own argument about how this phrase should be understood based on the evidence in the text itself. In the argument that follows, this reader recognizes multiple ways the phrase might be read, before crafting an argument for why that phrase should be read in one particular way. Then, the reader supports this argument with evidence from John 14:6 and 7, but also from elsewhere in John. So as a result, this whole reading taken together looks at John 14:6 and 7 as objectively as possible, and it uses evidence from the text that another reader, whether or not they agree, would also be able to follow.